This is how oily my hair is. This is the natural oil that my scalp produces. So let's begin the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is on hair spa, and for that we would be needing this much products: hair spa cream, conditioner and shampoo. That's what I use. You can use any company you like. And for that, before doing the process, we need to wash our hair with shampoo. So let's begin. After we have washed our hair, just take off the extra wetness. We still want our hair to be wet so that the product applies well. Now you see my hair is wet. Now we have to apply spa cream. We have to apply it from roots to the tip. Have to be generous. I have already used it. I use it like once in 15 days. Apply it section by section, as spa will reduce the oil, sebum and frizz that all of us don't want in our hair. It will make our hair smooth, shiny, whatever good things we want in our hair. As we are applying this cream over our head, we have to apply it from scalp to the tip, and I have to massage it also section by section and make it in a bun. I have really long hair, so it took so long. Sorry for all my different expressions. I cannot help it. We have to be really fast as we don't want our hair to be dry. On dried hair, this product doesn't spread easily, or you would be needing even more product, and we don't want that. That's wasting of product. Lukewarm water and towel. You need to just dip it in. Let it soak all the water, and then squeeze off the extra and have to wrap it on your head. Okay, just wrap this towel over your head so that the warmth get inside your hair follicles, and when the towel gets cooled down, again dip it in the lukewarm water and again cover it over your head. We don't want it to get dry. As you can see, it has already cooled down. Again, I'm dipping it in the lukewarm water and covering it over my head. After 10 minutes, we have to massage our head like this so that all the product gets soaked inside. After tying the knot, we need to cover our head with a shower cap. As I didn't have a shower cap, I am covering with a polythene. It serves the same purpose. We need moisture intact in our hair, and it will do the purpose. And we have to keep this for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, we keep the moisture intact. This process is important. Now the 20 minutes are over. We need to wash our hair and then apply conditioner and serum. Welcome everybody to my bathroom. Okay, now I am washing this product away. We have to be like really very soft and gentle, but have to remove all the product from our hair, and then after washing we have to apply conditioner and have to keep it for 7 minutes. Conditioner should not be applied on the scalp. It should be only applied on the tips and hair. We don't want any conditioner in our hair, so wash it off, as that can create dandruff and we don't want that. Take your time and wash it off. After washing, cover your hair with towel. Okay, after drying our hair, we have to apply serum only at the tip of the hair and only hair, not the scalp, because serum is not to be applied on the scalp. So guys, this is the end results. This is so smooth and silky, very soft to touch. Please guys, do subscribe and like my channel.